Hello everyone, we have Mr. Sohail Sikandar with us. He's the COO of BankIslami. Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
How's the event going so far?
I think it's very interactive, very informative also. And it is, I think, clearly saying what AI can do and what should we expect from AI. And it's very important because AI is going to change the game of the future. So it is very important that we understand it correctly and implement it correctly.
Thank you so much. What do you see as the biggest challenge for banks in scaling AI responsibility across different business functions?
I think that the talent availability is the biggest challenge right now we are facing. Because AI is something which is not where we set up a separate department for AI like we have for IT. When the revolution comes from the technology side, we set up a separate department for IT who understand technology and the people around it, who helps others to implement the technology and to train them, and then they get it implemented. But for AI, I think we should not expect that there will be a separate department working on it. It has to be embedded in all the applications. It has to be understood by all the people. Hence, we should train them. And that's the biggest challenge I think we are going to face going forward. And it has to be understood right at the moment so that we don't face any more challenges going forward.
Okay, sir, what are some of the key priorities driving your bank's digital transformation journey over the next few years?
First of all, we have actually already started embarking on this journey. And our first priority is the customer experience. We would like to leverage artificial intelligence to improve our customer experience, where customer get their resolving their queries at a very faster pace and accurately. So this is first and the foremost priority for us. Second would be the using of the data already we have. So using the data and do the predictive analysis and do some kind of focusing on certain markets which currently we are not. For example, if you look at the industry, the SME lending to the private sector is only 5%. And if you compare the overall SME market, only 1% of the financing is basically reached to the SME sector. So I think one of the major obstacle why we are not lending to SME is to do the perfect due diligence, because data is not available and we are not able to do the due diligence, hence we are not able to underwrite the SME risk. If we use AI and if we enable AI on our data available currently from the SME segment, I think we'll be able to leverage that and enable the SME financing.
Thank you, sir. What excites you the most about this year's theme, that is reimagining the future of banking with AI?
I think it is very exciting. And I was really inspired to see what the thought leaders are speaking about on this forum. And it's very important that we understand AI correctly because AI is not something which is going to be replacing the human beings. The current human talent we have, they have to be trained on AI. This is how we are going to, I think, leverage much benefit from the AI. So this is, I think, the right time that we adopt AI in our basically banking so that we can improve upon our financial inclusion. I am a strong believer that it will help us to improve the financial inclusion, which is the biggest challenge currently Pakistan is facing.
Thank you so much, sir. I believe AI is everything right now.
Yes.
And it should be a part of technology. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for having for your time here.
It is my pleasure. Thank you.